Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. See, guys, I want to show you. Now they're doing for the road fixing. Now all entire my plant is going, except this, the sharp one. The rest, my flowers, the big one is on. And then they're doing this for the cement until there. Now the truck is coming. Here you go. They will make it our road. Wait, get the side. Now the truck is coming. They will fix it. See? They got so sad because my plant is going, but so happy because the road is fixing. That's why. Now they're fixing now there. Magmarites kayo, guys. And then until there, from that far away, the puts. And then, just wait, I just now they're fixing. And then here you go as a Nepali. This is the, what's that name? What's that? The name is there. I don't know because that is Nepali. Who can read Nepali, they will read. But in English, this is the one. As per my husband name is there. And then see here, busy. In this area, he is a councilor. This is my area. Councilor, but wala sweldo, guys. councilor na wala sweldo. Finally, at least this area may improvement na dito banda namin. Almost 5 years 5 years na to dito bahay namin. Dito lang meron na siya yung ayan. They're fixing. This is my update. So sad for my plant, but so happy for the road fixing. Yung house namin, guys. I want to show you guys. Here you go. We're starting removing. Now, we are starting making for that one. And then they're fixing. See here now, see? All my one is covered. See my plant before? Just now, my see the dog. My 4 dog is inside. They're fixing for that one. I have that one, so fixing. Oh my God, they're very thinking one. Then here you go, this is area for the recovery, and then here that side or my Chaima restaurant there in that area, and this all about. Now they are fixing everything. See my dog. Now this area become now good fixing. Update ko yung guys.